Hello guys, welcome back to our Python tutorial course. Today we are going to create a project and try to read files from our software. Okay, we create a folder and name it, for example, project 1. Okay, go in it and create for example, an Excel file and let's call it, for example, the other. Just a name, it's not important. And create a column, accept, okay. Create the column, just a column of numbers, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12. Okay, it's just a number, it's not important. Okay, now we create two columns. That's it, you're done. Now, let's save it and save it in format CSV. Let's find it. CSV. Oh, okay, I clicked wrong. CSV, okay. Save it as CSV. Let's see, it is CSV or not. Properties, it's CSV.csv. Okay, now in the past lesson I told you we need to open some files from our system. How to open it? First time, in this lesson we go with Jupyter. You can install it from Anaconda and it's very easy. I tell you, just an installation. Okay, here we create a project and save as. Enter a notebook path related to notebook direction. Save as. Okay. Go here and copy the. Okay. Save it here. Now save. Refresh the page. It must come here. Let me refresh one time. It isn't. Why? Okay, we can just download it as IPMB and cut this. Okay, we deleted with the wrong format, sorry. Download as what we can. It's IPMB, that's right. Okay, we cut the IPMB and paste here and open with. No, we can't open it. We just go here. From here, we choose desktop and oh, sorry, we saved them in the desktop. Not a problem. We use it just now. We copy it and paste it here. Delete and go to project and open project 1. Why we do this? Because if we want to read some file from our PC, we need to know where they are. Okay, I tell you we are going to learn more about Pandas. Pandas is a data management library and it's really important to know about it. Okay, what this do? Let me tell you by giving an example. For example, we import math as empty. Do you remember if we want to import a comment from the math, we must write math dot and write the comment. But now we can write empty dot. As you can see, all the comments are here and we can use it like that. Okay, now let's use Pandas. We create a file named file and it's equal to pd.read CSV. Okay, now we must put the CSV file name here. ll.csv and we put it into commas. Okay, it's run perfectly. Now print file. As you can see, the CSV file we were using is printed here. You can see it. It's that file. What and why this comment is important? It's at first when I used to learn this comment and Pandas library, it's so hard and I don't know anything and can't understand what happened. But the thing is important to you to know. I don't know a lot of Pandas library comment, but I know thing. It's used for data management, and every time I want to give an find a way, I just search. How? For example, I want to select one of the columns in the CSV file. How to select one of the columns in Pandas. The select assigned columns, use a square bracket with the column name. Okay, its column name is 1. How we should print? We say print file bracket 1. It's wrong. Why? Because it's this one. I think. Okay, it print the column 1 and we can just print the column 2 like this. See how easily we can done it. Bye, see you tomorrow. I will tell you more about this comment. Okay, see you tomorrow.